So once I send back my tool to its home position by using the code G28U0W0, the secondary coordinates, what I need to do? I need to off my spindle. My spindle is on, right? I need to off it. So for that one we will use the code M05, and to off the coolant we use the code M09. I need to end my program. Okay, I need to end my program. For that one I will use the M02 code. Okay, once my program is end, if I want to end the whole tape and rewind it, so I will use M30 code. Okay, so this is how you have to write the part programming for counterclockwise circular interpolation. Well, the same operation you do on a machine manually, the same thing you have to write the part programming in a machining language, that is the part programming, where if you write the part programming in the right manner, however the tool movement you do, the same movement the machine also do for the machining operation. Okay, so next program, next numerical is on drilling. So what it goes like is, write a manual part program for drilling the component as shown. Okay, so we have a pallet of 50 by 40. Okay, 50 by 40, and we need to drill a hole of 30 mm and having a diameter of 10 mm at the center point. At the center point. So we need to write down a part programming for this one. So you have some assumptions should be made. Well, all the data aren't given, so you have to have some assumptions. Well, the material of the workpiece will assume it as mild steel. Then the material of the drill is high speed steel, and with a cutting speed, that is V equal to 30 meters per minute. Okay, 30 meters per minute, and with a feed rate of 0.1 mm per revolution. Well, you have cutting speed, you have feed rate, but you don't know the spindle speed. Okay. Well, I said already we have a formula of cutting speed V equal to pi dn by 1000 meters per minute. Pi dn by 1000 meters per minute, where d is the diameter of the workpiece and n is the spindle speed, f is the feed rate, and v is the cutting speed. So by using that formula we can find out the spindle speed. So spindle speed n equal to 1000 v by pi d. Well, 1000 into v equal to 30 meters per minute divided by pi into d is that is the diameter of the hole or the drill what we are drilling, that is 10 mm. Okay, by doing this one, we are going to get the spindle speed as 954.9 revolution per minute. That is as equivalent as 1000 revolution per minute. Okay, we can consider 1000 revolution per minute. So just remember this one. For drilling operation, we have a program number 4176 followed by the letter O. Okay, you have to write down the program number. So first O4176, we have to start down the sequence number. At N0, that is the sequence number 0, we have to keep my program in an absolute program mode. For that one we will use G90 code. Okay. Then we have to keep my program in a metric mode. Metric mode in the sense mm, we are keeping all the dimensions in mm. For that one we have G71. So next is we have to on the spindle, or we have to keep the maximum spindle speed clamp. So for that one we will use the code G92 and we will keep the whole operation in a medium gear. So we will use the code M42 with a spindle speed of 1000 revolution per minute. Okay. Next we have to specify the feed rate in mm per revolution. Okay, for that one we have a code G95. G95 is the code for keeping the feed rate in mm per revolution. Then I need to on my tool from its home position. For that one we have a code G28 from its secondary coordinates U0 and W0. We have to specify that one. Then we have to change the tool by using the code M06, that is the miscellaneous codes, with a tool 08 and 08. It means tool number 8, that is the drilling tool, at the tool turret position 8. It means at tool turret position 8 we have a drilling tool. Okay, so that drilling tool number is 08. You can specify anything. Let's say if you are working on a drilling machine only, so you have only one machine, only one tool, so you can specify it as T01 and 01. So if your machine doesn't contain any automatic tool changer, then you don't have to use it. Okay, no worries in that. So now my actual program starts. What you need to do? You need to on your spindle. Okay, to on your spindle, you have a miscellaneous code M03 with a spindle speed of 1000 revolution per minute. Okay, then what I need to do, I'll just my tool is at a home position G28, U0 and W0, but I need to take it from that position to somewhere near to my tool for drilling operation. So for that one we will use rapid tool positioning to X0 and Z1, where X0 and Z1 comes. Well, this is the reference point. So this is the X0 and we are doing the drilling in this direction. So what I need to do, the rapid tool movement from its position to somewhere X0 and Z1 mm away in positive direction. Okay, so 1 mm away in positive direction with a rapid tool movement. We'll on the spindle, we are on the coolant with a code of M08. We'll have a rapid tool from its home position to X0 and Z1 with on the coolant. Okay. Next, I need to do my drilling operation. So I'll take somewhere in positive direction. I'm going to take my tool. Okay. So rapid tool positioning from X0 to Z10 in positive direction. So my tool is at here actually, X0 and Z1. I'll just take it back to X0, the same position, and Z in positive direction 10 mm away from the tip of the workpiece. Next, I need to do the drilling cycle. Okay, for drilling cycle we have a preparatory function G81. G81 is the preparatory function for drilling operation. So we need to do drilling, right? We need to do the drilling operation of the workpiece till 30 mm. So this is the positive direction of the Z, this is the negative direction of the Z. Well, X remains same, that is the center X0. So we have a drilling, for drilling we have G81 till X0 will remain same at the center till Z minus 30 with a feed rate of 0.1 mm per revolution and spindle speed of 1000 revolutions per minute. So what instruction I have given to my machine, that it is going to do the drilling operation by using the code G81. It understood that I am going to do the drilling operation, where at X0 till Z minus 30, till minus 30, this is 0 till minus 30, it is going to do the drilling operation. Okay, with a feed rate of 0.1 mm per revolution with a spindle speed of 1000 revolution per minute. While my drilling operation is over, what I need to do, I'll just take back my tool back wherever the position I want. Okay, so for that I use the rapid tool position to X0 and Z1. I'll just take back my tool to 1 mm away from its reference position. Okay, so what I need to do, once my tool has came out, I'll just instruct my machine that you can go, the tool can go to its home position. Okay, that is G28, U0, W0. Okay, so I need to off my spindle by using the code M05. M05. After that, I'll off my coolant. I'll stop my program. If I want, I will rewind it. Okay. So this is how you have to write the manual part programming for phasing, step removal, clockwise circular interpolation, counterclockwise circular interpolation, and write down the part programming for drilling operation. Okay. So solve as many problems as possible, or write down the part programming for as many problems as possible for turning operation. All these comes in turning operation. Okay. So what assignments what I am giving you, you can solve it. Don't show it to me. That just you can solve it. You can write the manual part programming for many different types of turning operations. Okay. So this completes your first part of your fourth unit. Next part comes is your manual part programming for milling operation. Okay. So different types of milling operations can be performed in a machine. Okay. But how we have to write down the part programming for milling operation where my machine is going to perform the same by using the part programming. Okay. In next class we'll start that one. So till that, thank you very much.